Hey YouTube, good morning viewers, subscribers. It's your boy Odane coming to you again with another video. I'm also here with Delo, Richie. We're on our way to Spanish Town. We don't have an exact location set, so if you want to see us somewhere in our next video, please to comment and let us know where you want to see us. So enjoy this video and don't forget to leave a like. See you in the next clip, guys.
Ferry. Yeah, man, we're here on the ferry street, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Spanish
You know
Town.
the trip. Going to Spanish Town.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Sean Boss, known as Richie. D-Star, known as Odane. Surfer, known as Delo.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We need it.
Watch Richard. See it there?
Up on the wall, up on the wall.
Man. What is that? make it look easy. Man. I'm so little. Yeah. What? Man. Yeah. That's it. No, I said I got it. Get that up, please. Nah, get the ball. Oh. Yeah. Good. Yeah, so long, yeah.
You know which power there? Not to me, don't know. So we're on the crux of the motor here, yeah man. Surfer than they look. You see it? Which power there? Flat bridge with it. You see it? See there? Flat bridge, yeah man. In here. Oh.
My ear, the most I started, I see my ear. Up, you know.
You.
Yeah, you want to see that? That's walking. Keep quiet, keep quiet. My ear, you smell like that blood on it. Here. You don't feel a choke. If you need injured or racers, and not even racers boy can size up with it.
In the bush there. See me? Just past Flat Bridge. On our way to Linstead, or on our way to Linstead right now. You know what I'm saying? You must say Flat Bridge River, yeah? Or why so? Flat Bridge River.
Yeah. We enjoy ourselves same way while we are there.
Richie! Yeah man, with that Mingleton on our way going to Linstead. I don't know. Surfer than is here. You see me? Rich is done. That is in here. Good. In here. And it's all this I make up in paradise. I don't know how to are. Yeah man. I don't know. What is it? Yeah man. Big up yourself. Oh, should we shy? So what's it? Shanier, isn't that saying that special? Yeah man, we have Shanier shop. Shanier. You walk down, you feel cup and everything, and I'm saying.
I like the country people and them deal the food. You see it? Them treat the food.
Yeah man, don't know, we in here. See in a few. Don't know. Yeah,
but
that's still in there. You see?
Oh, you still want more right now? I get more right now. Hold on.
Damn!
Smell the
Man,
spirit.
still in here, man. You see me? Big it on with it. You see it? And I wait for
Yeah.
Linstead. Train or what they say, is it? Train on the train line, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, Della in here, Richie in here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, lunchtime.
Good. Grandmaster have enough to eat and talk. Talk good later.
Alright, so yeah man, we're having lunch now, so when we finish, we check in back, yes me, I'm making know what time it is, so look at it.
Today, yeah?
See me I say? Charlie Mount restaurant, you see it? So yeah man, we check in back look a bit, alright? Young Crooks, we are here again with Lorraine, the cook of the restaurant, E&A restaurant. So she's gonna tell you a little bit about the restaurant.
Yes, my dear, big up on myself. This is E&L restaurant where we do authentic cooking. We do from chicken and chips, we do rice and peas, we do steamed fish, escabeche, nuggets and chips, you name it, tonka meal and steamed fish, you name it. It is located at Charlie Mount Road, right beside Charlie Mount Car Wash. So you can't miss it. And you can call 999-2060. That's 999-2060 and we all do delivery. Alright? So, the need to follow. Alright? And give us a call.
Yeah man, so thanks to Lorraine again for setting us up with lunch and things. So yeah man, we're leaving the restaurant now and things, and we are gonna go on our way again, so we can find another location and we're ready to go back in Kingston. So yes, thanks again Lorraine for lunch. To me, pick up the restaurant. I think maybe we'll see again sometime soon. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Yeah man.
Body chef this year. Food bad. They are jail at them food, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah man. Alright, see you later guys and see you next week.
Alright.
So Lorraine is gonna
Subscribe to the
So yeah, Lorraine is gonna subscribe to the channel now, so we're gonna type in the name.
Get it right, make sure.
Run, get rough. Yeah, man. Light and wreck.
Yeah man, we in here, riverside with it. In the country, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man. We in here, see that? Yeah man, pick up yourself man. You ain't have vlog, you know, pick up yourself man. Don't know the shrimps. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man. Up.
Dean, you see that? Eddie man dead for come up there, him nah drink no good calming porridge. Man dead, watch it. Nah eat no good calming porridge. Watch it. Man dead. DJ, I sweat. Yeah, I sweat, DJ. All in here, I sweat. Yeah, all in here, I sweat, DJ. Rest.
Young cracks, I don't know, so we just left 7 off river. You see me I say? Yeah man, Richie there. Yellow Surfer there. You don't know me there, Odane. I don't know, we have some fans in here. You see me? From 7 off river. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, big up on yourself, yo. You see, up top. Those are Shuba from 7 off river, you don't know? Yeah man, I go back in Kingston, you know. You see me I say? Yeah man, we link up and tune in back or reach nearby in Kingston and make him so about. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man.
Nice. It's not far. You're very nice. Nice. Busy. My second everybody took out a bit.
Yeah man, young crowds, we have a little issue here with Richie. Yeah, a little issue with Richie have a flat, so we have work on it and patch it back. You see me I say? In here, having a little technical difficulties, may I say, with Richie front wheel, puncture, you see me? So we have patch it back. At the tire shop. Full Harbour Road, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, so we just have patch it back and then take a good time to go back to this. You know what I'm saying? Man, them a work on it.
that? In we are come back, not engine, same way. Let's believe that.
Yeah man, young crooks, we are on our way back home now into Kingston and we are on ferry stretch. You know what I mean? It was a nice journey. Yes young crooks, another video, another journey, another safe journey. You know what I'm saying?
A few difficulties but we're good, you know?
Yeah.
And my chain split up like it did a verse, but we spot it before it burst, so we just get our pliers or hammer or stone.
Yeah.
And
Split it back together.
And then Richie, halfway did a slowly. Then in front wheel, puncture, the patch that started out. In fact, with also a leak, we fixed that with we fix it with a Chinese glue.
The bad glue.
Yeah, but
I mean, yeah man. So we sort out all of the problems them today. You see me? Richie, back wheel and front wheel puncture, yellow chain bust, we sort out that. See me I say, we're back on our way, going home right now, on ferry stretch. You know what I'm saying? Thanks to the Almighty, bringing us safe and sound. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, another journey, another day. So, yeah man, young crooks. See you in our next video, and don't forget, see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Comment. So we'll see you again in another video. We are signing out. Richie, we have a say.
thanks be to God, out and in safe.
You know what I'm saying? So thanks again. Peace. Signing out.